If you like originality, here's an incomparable home with brilliant attributes for a discerning buyer. The stylish entry suggests casual elegance to this tropically themed home, while the bright, open floor plan of this 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath home boasts a spacious living room with coral fireplace, formal dining room, butler's pantry, a substantial master suite with walk-in closets, a generous master bath, and a beautifully designed office with custom cabinetry and BellaWood flooring. Porcelain tile seamlessly connects the main living areas, while 10-foot ceilings add wonderful volume to each room. The significant center island is the focal point of this magnificent kitchen, offering separate dining area with fireplace, Wellborn Fine Cabinetry, impressive granite countertops, built-in appliances, spacious walk-in pantry, and dazzling views of the pond on the 7th tee of Deer Island Golf. A large 26-foot by 30-foot bonus room or 4th bedroom on the 2nd floor has French doors that open to a private balcony overlooking Lake Dora on the Harris chain of lakes. While the back lanai offers scenic views of the golf course, the front porch presents a side entry door for everyday access, offering seating with an abundance of shoe storage. Built in 2005 with energy-efficient windows, core-filled block construction, and a well for irrigation, this 4,460 square foot home offers ultimate energy efficiency. This gated golf community of Deer Island offers access to the Harris chain of lakes. Just 50 minutes from Orlando, the airport, and all Central Florida attractions, Deer Island is located across from the picturesque New England-style village of Mount Dora, with its galleries, boutiques, sidewalk cafes, and full calendar of festivals and events. Rarely does a home like this come on the market, so if you recognize value, you will not want to miss this opportunity. Priced below appraisal demonstrates the seller's motivation, as they will carefully consider all offers. If you're looking for a picture-perfect home with lush, mature landscaping and breathtaking golf and lake views in a gated community, you've hit the jackpot. Schedule your showing today and live the life of luxury without breaking the bank.